have here the VW Transporter 2016 model. We have done on this vehicle a series of upgrades, and we also installed an alarm system with very loud horns. So the way it works, the alarm system is activated by locking the car using the original remote. The alarm sets off in pretty quick. You have an LED indicating the alarm is activated. The alarm will be either triggered by a shock on the car, so any pulling of the handle. So any pulling of the handle or causing a bigger shock, or even, for instance, if they break the barrel and they try to open the car, the alarm will be triggered straight away. And as it can be heard, the horns are very loud, which we believe is a very good deterrent against the thieves. Thank you.